to, nigga. You wearing a mini skirt with some high ass motherfucking stockings and shit. Hell nah. Let's go. Thought we was robbing a gun store. Yeah, I thought we was robbing a gun store. Let's go. Oh, I like that car. Yo, ram his shit. It's it right here. We in the fucking cut. Oh my god.
Whoa, hey, whoa.
Fuck out my way.
Okay, alright, don't shoot, huh?
Now, fucking move.
Oh, this is right.
Shit. Alright, let's go. This nigga got the Mac.
Okay,
911, what's your emergency?
I like that. I like that.
watch yourself, it's armed.
Hold up. Oh shit, I like that.
Yes, police. 911, what is your
Fuck,
emergency?
boy. I shot her, don't worry. Oh my god.
911, state your emergency, please.
Got him. Yo, what the fuck? Alright, hold up.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Obviously, I gotta stand outside because niggas wanna call people. See?
911, please state your emergency.
There's gunfire with...
What?
Yeah, I can see him. I think.
So we out?
Scanning for suspect now.
Oh, shoot, my bad. Oh my god. You know I ain't coming back for your ass, right? I had to escape real fast. I'm coming back. Oh! This car. Oh shit. I got you.
Heads up, it's armed.
Get it out the way.
It's armed.
I said get it out the way.
911,
I clearly
please
told
state the
you
nature of your
to get it out the way.
There's a shooter.
I clearly sat here and told you to get that shit out the way. Motherfucker. Look, if you trying to turn off the motherfucking, what's it called, and get it. Oh shoot.
911,
Word.
please state your emergency.
Like that.
Got him. He's down.
Eyes on patrol units, but dispatch suspect.
The fucking, what's the shit called? The U-Hunted. The U-Hunted, the LMG.
There, I got him. There, I think I got him.
Shit.
Northbound train arriving shortly.
Go. Go. Pop. Oh. Hold up, hold up. Do I got more bombs? Sure do. Oh my god. Yo, I'm about to get fucked up.
Watch out. It's armed.
What the fuck? No, no. No, wrong card. The fuck? Oh, I'm about to. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Go, 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 go.
Stop now.
I ain't no more. Oh my god. Hell yeah. Oh, let's go. Nah, nigga, you done driving. Let's go, let's go. My drift game on point. Remember that. Oh, oh. Hold up, we're going back. Shoot him. With a pistol? You pissing me off.
People are shooting. Oh, I'm so scared.
Oh. I know that's not our tire.
Yeah, somebody's shooting here. Help us. Squad, we've lost them. Call it a day.
God damn it. So that's it? We lost the cops? That's it? Weak. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, we out. Oh yeah. Alright, let me take this out real fast.
911, state your emergency,
Wait, what the fuck am I shooting?
Some guy. Jesus Christ.
911, what is your emergency?
Somebody's shooting. This
Shut the
can't
fuck
be
up.
happening.
All units, be advised. Squad is beginning detailed scan for
Hey,
suspect.
somebody's shooting.
This ain't doing nothing.
Need police here fast.
Oh, yo, I stopped the train. Let's hop on that. Wait, are we anywhere near the? Damn. Oh, I'm about to die. Bro, where are you at?
Took him out.
Damn. How you die? Word. I'm lost. Hold on. What?
Copy that. A patrol van is in suspect.
Oh. I'm about to get fucked up. I'm about to get fucked up. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm dead.
Slow the fuck down.
That just happened. Where the fuck you at? Oh, he right there. Hold up.
What's up with this?
Well, I like this song. Hold up. Nah, change that. Wait. Wait. Hold up. Let me put my song on real fast. I like that. It's my whip, nigga. Hop in. Get out of here. Wait, you got cops. You know what? I'm trying to hit up that clothes store. Oh, here we go. Hop on the bike. You this nigga. You don't like my whip, huh? You call this a better car? I'm done. I'm sitting in the back. I'm done with you. Fuck this motherfucker right here. Alright, I'm whipping. I'm whipping. Let me put my song on real fast. I like that. Move! Fuck out my way. Oh! Oh shit! Alright, I'm good. Fuck you shooting at? Alright, here come my drift game. Hold up. Yeah. Nah. Oh shit. Move. Alright, let's go. I'm mad we can't rock niggas, yo. That should have been funny.
I don't care if I wind up in a coffee shop.
Alright, what I want?
How goes it?
Wait. Let me see this. Nope. Let me see. What's this? That hat is disgusting. Did I rock the cutthroat? Nah. My nigga. Laundry day? What the hell? Roll hazard? Nope. Let me see. That whiteout? Oh, I already had that.
I forgot the guy said over the wave. Got like green blood splatter on it.
Fucking laundry day is stupid. Let me see this. What the hell is this? Alright, bloodstain. Let me see this. Once again, that hat is disgusting. I don't like it. Vigilante.
You won't find what I've got.
Yeah, I like the cutthroat. That coat's starting to piss me off. Nah. I'ma just rock the orange burn. Fuck it.
Anything is better than that place.
Alright, where your bitch ass at? Where you going? Bitch ass. Anyways, yeah, where your bitch ass at?
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah. Yeah, you
Calling
need to
the
get
cops.
here.
Somebody shooting me? Somebody shooting at me.
Shootout going on right now. You have
Oh,
to
I was
send the
about
police.
to light your shit. Leave her alone. My aim terrible. All right. Fucking. Oh. Fuck that song. Put my song on one more time. Yeah. Oh my god, what do they want? Why the cops on my dick? I don't like that. True. I could have. Wait, what's the red dots? Oh, that's the cops. Nope. What are you doing? Oh my god. Fucking bridge. Wait! Don't. This nigga jump. Oh shoot! Wait, are you still alive? Oh my god. Alright. This nigga in water. They about to kill me. Okay. Fuck it. They know I'm in the water, dickhead. Where? Oh, you over there. Fight me. They see me. Oh my god. He about to snipe me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nigga, you come over here. You don't see this chopper on me? What's wrong with you?
Got him. He's down.
Shut your ass up. Shut up. I'm coming. Oh shit. Who busting on me? Hold on, I want to grab this money real fast. Where ATM at? Watch me. Shh. There we go. Give me that. I like that. Now where you at? Don't tell me you back in the motherfucking water. Bruh, I'm out the water. Oh, you pissing me off now.
Total, move in.
Oh! Don't do that.
A high-powered patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
Get on the bike. Can we get on the bike? I don't think so. God damn it. Alright, we in the truck. Wait, let me get on top of it. Hold up. I'm about to do that. Go.
There, I got him. There, I think I got him.
Yeah. And nobody save us. You wavy. Get the lying.
All right, it's hot.
Squad, ready to circle back. See if we can pick him up.
Yo, I can do that any day. Yeah, I've done that before. I've done that in story mode. Yo, alright, you know, stop this fucking truck right now.
Get him. Now's our chance.
Yo, I'm about to die. What the fuck did you do? I noticed he ran me over. Who that? Oh!
Got him. He's down.
Oh! Oh shit! I really died. Oh my god. Oh no. Wait, who is this?
Jesus.
Yo, who this? Somebody just invited me to a party. Has too nice. Like he commented on the live stream chat, John. And this motherfucking Camaro looking car? Hell yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, your car got more XL. Matter of fact, wait, let me get the fuck out this shit. What?
What's wrong with your my dad?
Gabby, what the fuck? Oh! I fucked my shit up. Yeah. They want to play with us. I think I might have to start a new live stream. A whole new live stream.